Welcome to the Edison Hotel. This might be one of the most peaceful boutique hotels hidden right in the middle of Georgetown, and I'm so excited to show it to you. If you're new here to my channel, welcome. My name is Michelle. I'm a US expat living abroad in Penang, Malaysia. I love sharing content here on my YouTube channel about travel, wellness, and of course, food. If you are interested in any of those things too, please like and subscribe and join our community. But for now, let's get back to the Edison Hotel. Located right in the heart of Georgetown, this boutique hotel is tucked away just minutes from some of this city's most iconic cafes, restaurants, heritage streets. The hotel itself actually dates back to the early 20th century. It was originally a mansion before being restored into a boutique hotel. We are at the Edison right now. Let me show you how grand this is. I mean, wow. So I got a little tour of the inside, the lobby, and the lounge area, and then I've done a little exploring since. This hotel has so much charm, specifically the old colonial charm of the high ceilings, the wooden floors. There's beautiful large shuttered windows, but it also at the same time doesn't feel like a museum of an old building. It still is very warm and cozy. I explored a few of the different common spaces like the lounge and the library. This is not a massive hotel chain, so everything definitely felt very intentional and again, cozy. One thing I loved is the natural lighting. It gave the whole place such a soft glow. Now this lounge area was so comfortable and nice, and it led to this patio that opened up into the pool area. Now, if you've never been to Georgetown, you know it is chaos, it is busy. So having this secret little oasis of a pool right in the middle of the city is an absolute hidden gem. This was our room that we stayed in at the Edison, and I loved how spacious it was. The high ceilings just make it feel so elegant, and I love the attention to detail. The ceramic cups match the color of the hotel. There was a very kind note and some yummy treats, and after a bit of relaxing and freshening up, it was time to go to dinner. Every evening, the hotel's lounge area hosts a wine hour where you can relax, eat some snacks, and drink a glass of wine before heading out into the town. This was such a fun way to chat with people, and we enjoyed such a lovely conversation with the staff about which places we should check out tonight for dinner. One of the very best things about staying at the Edison Hotel is the location. There are so many food spots right next to the hotel. For example, one of my favorite Italian restaurants called Bottega is right across the street. I love the atmosphere in this restaurant. It's very warm and relaxed. They have so many different cheeses and salami and olives for sale that you can purchase while ordering your delicious dinner. Every time we have something to celebrate, we usually go to this restaurant, but this was not where we decided to go for tonight's dinner. Now, this is El Kitchen, and it was very highly recommended by the hotel staff, and so we decided we had to try it out. I would describe this as a very casual and unassuming restaurant, but wow, the food was incredible. We love eating Chinese food. I feel like the flavors are just never ending. It was so easy to walk to this place. I mean, we were there in minutes from the hotel. The staff was so friendly. We had such a wonderful experience. And the best surprise was after dinner, we walked outside and we could not believe how pretty the sunset was. It was just perfect timing. If you have ever traveled to Georgetown in Penang, you'll know that the streets are just filled with UNESCO heritage sites, hidden bars, cafes tucked away in little alleys. It is such a layered town, and it takes a long time to really get to know a neighborhood or area. One of the really cool cafes/bars that I love near the Edison Hotel is called China House. During the day, it's a beautiful cafe, and at night, you can listen to live music. It's a great, lively, and fun atmosphere, and it's a perfect date spot. After our dinner at El Kitchen, we stopped by Cookie Crumbs, which is a really popular cafe here in Penang and in KL. And let me tell you, these cookies were so delicious. I definitely want to go back. This famous hawker stall called Red Garden Food Paradise is directly across the street from the hotel. So if you want a late night snack, this is the perfect place to go. At the end of our night, I loved walking up to our hotel and seeing the architecture lit up with all of these different beautiful lights. It felt so luxurious. The whole atmosphere is just lovely at night. Another great perk of staying at the Edison is waking up to a complimentary breakfast every morning. It was the perfect way to ease into the day before heading out into the town. There's some great tea, coffee, bread. You can make toast, yogurt, some different juices, everything you need for a great start to the day. If you are planning a trip to Penang or you want to take a staycation, this beautifully restored hotel feels so calm and luxurious. It is the perfect place to relax and really soak up the atmosphere of Penang.